Yeah, good morning all. Yeah, tell me. We'll create a table with,
Like I get my laptop now to
oh,
create.
what ma? I didn't get.
Like we should also do the practicals,
Yeah,
ma'am.
if you have, you can do ma along with
Yeah,
me.
ma'am. I'll
Okay.
do.
Section C of your coursebook, page number 9, week 1. Okay. So I'll do and you do along with me.
Ma'am, in laptop, when after downloading MS Access, ma'am,
Hmm.
to open that MS Access, it is asking something. It will take the hardware of the computer.
What it will take?
The hardware of computer. Present, I don't have laptop, ma'am, but
What?
it is asking. It will take the internal audio of the see, means space or data from your computer. It will
No, no, it will
give
not take any.
permission or deletes. Then I clicked allow. Then it opened, ma'am. No means
Oh,
it didn't.
okay, okay. Yeah. Those who have.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma, who is this? Snitika.
Rishita ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Rishita.
Ma'am, in exam I had a doubt, ma'am.
Just ask me.
I'll check the question and I'll say you, ma'am. 1 minute. I had a doubt.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second. Brand name, which is short text. Okay, no problem. Next, model is also text. Color is also short text. Cost price, which is number or currency we take. They gave number. Okay, we'll take number only. Selling price, number. Year would be date and time. Array, date
Ma'am.
and time. Yes. Don't yes, tell me. Yes, ma, tell me.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, Neha.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Actually, your voice is very low for me, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is in design view. We have created field names with their data types. Next is task 3. Switch to data sheet view. Okay, we have to switch to data sheet view. So you must save the table. Okay. Yes. Then it is data sheet view where the field names are created. Here we have to enter the data now. ID is 0096. Nine six. Next brand name is Toyota. Toyota. Model MR2 Road Roadster. Color electric blue. Next cost price 13995. Selling price 15895. Year would be 2005. Okay. Yeah, it is asking to enter new. 1 second. We'll enter a new value. Date and time we have taken. So can't change it. Here we'll change Instead of date and time, we'll
I
take
converted it to
number.
text, ma'am. My
Okay.
thing said to convert to text. In
Here we
converting
can
to
take
number as well, ma'am.
2005 now. Okay. Then next one is 0092 BMW Z3 metallic black. 4665 5635 and 2000. Next 0099 Ford Fiesta. Sorry, Fiesta. Blue 77008975 and 2009. Next 93 Honda Civic Silver 2995 3795 2004 0095 Koda Mute Yourself Octavia Black Yellow 5995 7095 and 2007. Okay. Saved. Now specify ID as primary key in the design view. Now again we have to go to design view. We have to specify ID as primary key. So key is created there. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. I already set it as primary.
Yeah. So done. That's it. So this is the table we have created. Yes, ma, I need. So the down one, I think you have answered the question, completed, right? Yeah, Abhinav Patel, where are you? Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes, ma. Abhinav, tell me what's your doubt? Abhinav.
Ma'am, by mistake, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the table creator, ma. Some details about cars. Okay. Now coming to your week 2. Is it clear, everyone? Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Now coming to query. Do you have any idea what is a query? Anybody can tell me what is a query?
What, ma'am?
Query.
Query. Means is it like a complaint?
Mm-mm. Okay.
Complaint or like a doubt, ma'am?
Any doubts like that, right? But here, query is nothing but searching in the database to find specific information is known as query. Means we are searching for something like we want to know the greatest, or we want to know the least, or we want to compare. All that comes under query. Searching, that is nothing but searching, right? For specific information is known as a query. Queries are the fundamental means of accessing and displaying data from tables. And to find out details belonging to a particular field or particular record. and you have to run a query, and the database would search all the records that match the criteria. Means if as I told you, if you want to compare two records or two rows, whatever it is, you need to search, right? So before that, you have to run a query in the database to search all the records that match the criteria specified. Means whatever the condition, criteria means condition, whatever the condition we are searching for, that we have to specify and run a query in the database. That is called a queries. Queries can be used to search for data from more than one field. Means we can use queries not only to a, it is not limited to a one field. We can search or go for queries more than one field also. So what are the operators used in queries? The database can be searched using comparison operators, as I told you, and also look for greater than, less than, before, or equal to. And these three operators can be used like greater than, less than, before, equal to, comparison operator. All these you can search in the database using queries. And what are the main operators are listed here? Relational operators. You all, I think you already know that: greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relational operators that we use to search in the database using queries. And some three are logical.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understood it, ma'am. The
What
query.
did,
Yeah, even I too, ma'am.
I didn't understood, ma'am.
for comparing two records or comparing two fields, we query is nothing but searching something for a condition. That is called a query. Searching something, like I told you, greater than or less than, or comparing two fields or comparing two records. We need to compare. How can we compare? That is nothing but query. Using queries, we can do something like conditions we can give to the database, and we can search it.
Ma'am, the ma'am means like greater than symbols, equal to symbols, all are queries only, ma'am.
Yes, in database they
Oh,
are queries. Okay, and these are all called
Ma'am,
relational
is they used to
operators.
search something, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Some conditions, if we want to go,
Okay.
like already we have seen in spreadsheets, right? Some conditions we have done, like what is that, functions. They are called functions in the spreadsheets. Mathematical functions we have seen, logical functions we have seen, right? Similarly here they are called queries. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, and we have
Yes,
two
ma'am.
types of this thing, like relational operators.
Yes,
Means
ma'am.
like comparing, like greater than, less than, all these are called relational operators. And coming to some three are there which are called logical operators. They are called and, or, not. So first of all,
Like
what we have to do,
conjunction, ma'am.
yeah, how to do queries, that we will do. I will show you now. How to create a query. Click on the create tab which is there on the top beside home. Yes, create, it is there. Create query design. Here it is there, query design. It will display a dialog box with tables, queries, and both. So already we have table called car details, right? That is a car details we have already created. Now what we have to do, down, add is there. We have to click add. Okay. See, here we got an this thing. You can see the screen, everyone. Yeah. So car details, all these are the
Yeah, ma'am. Even I got it.
yeah, already we have created the databases, right? ID, brand name, it will show that only. So it's showed, right? Now the down one is a query form. Down you can see here below this is called a, this I will move a little. Here you can see this is called query form. Okay, in that query form, what you have to do, select the table from the tables tab and click the add button, which we have done, right? Now select the field from the table to the new query by double clicking on the field name in the table boxes, or selecting the fields from the field. So from these fields we can select any one field by double clicking. This I have to close. Yeah, see here, brand name, field brand name has been entered, which I have double clicked here. So it got displayed in the down one query form. That is a query form, right? Enter the criteria for the query in the query form. Specify the criteria for a query using relational and logical operators. So on what basis you want to search?
Brand name.
I'll just tell, like, can we go for model? Yeah, we can click all, means we can select all the field names also. Okay, I have selected all. Okay. Now, okay. Here criteria we have to give. What criteria? Like, see here, brand name criteria. What criteria will give?
Like Skoda, those all, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the cost? Like, okay, we'll give less than some cost, right? We'll use the relational operators here. Brand name less than or equal to, sorry, less than or equal to how much it is there. Okay, something else specify like 8,000. Okay, cost, sorry, brand name. Here cost price is there, right? Here we'll mention criteria less than or equal to. Okay. Then here we have run is there here at the top beside view. Run is there. We have to click run button in the results group on the toolbar. We'll see what happens if we run. Yeah, see. So we got all the brand names which are less than or equal to 8,000.
Run button.
And did you observe my everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. That is what, how
Yeah,
we
ma'am.
search a query. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll do one more query. Okay.
That means it's searching below 8,000 models.
Yes. The criteria what I gave is less than or equal to 8,000. So it has given all the car brand names which cost is less than 8,000. Similarly, we'll do like one more query we'll create. Same car details. Same brand name we'll take.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the blank database, but I'm getting students login and some tables.
Okay, you can do it, no problem. Now here I will use selling price. Selling price, I'll use now greater than or equal to 6,000 I'll take. Okay, now run. We'll see what happens. So only three cars whose selling price is greater than 6,000. Is it clear?
For me, something like this.
What different you are getting?
Ma'am, I got like this, ma'am.
Show me, ma.
One
What
second.
is that? I can't see it properly. Why those many tables have come?
Don't know, ma'am. Somehow it's multiplied and came.
Go back.
But,
What did you do? The same way what I am doing?
yeah, ma'am.
Why that much big it has come?
Don't know, ma'am.
Yeah, have you all understood, Amma, how to create a query? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last topic in this week too is a report. How to a report is used to organize and summarize data for online viewing or for printing. Means as you have your reports like your results, right? Similarly, report is all means in this also database also we are having some reports which we can use it for online viewing or for online printing. If we want some reports to be done online, that is also available in the database. And reports can be created at any time and it is prepared using the current updated data in the database. Reports enable the user to analyze the results in a printed format. Reports are nothing but whatever the result we are seeing on the table, I mean on the screen, that in the printed format we can get it with the help of reports. That's it. Means as we like, first is we will create the table, we will save the table, and if we want the printout, that where we have to get it from the reports. Clear? Now how can we create that? How to create a report? Same here, we have create query is there only we have a report. And in this MS Access we have 4 types of reports. It is report view, print preview, layout view, and design view. 4 views are there to view a report: report, print, layout, and design. So here report, create a report, open the navigation pane. Where is the navigation pane? This side,
Ma'am, it's in the side.
yeah. So it's already opened only. Go.
Ma'am, you're showing reports, ma'am.
Yeah. Open the navigation pane. It's already open.
Ma'am, can you tell which page is there? It's there in the course book.
Same, page number 13. Open the navigation pane.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
It's
navigate
there
to
only
category.
report.
Yeah. Navigation, click the table or a query on which you want to base your report. Activate the create tab. Take table. Okay. Create tab, report button in the reports group. Access creates your report and displays your report in a layout view. We'll see. Have clicked. Oh, okay. This is a layout view, ma. You can go for, see here, you can see report view, print view, layout view, design view. If I click layout view, this is a print preview.
Ma'am, report means like it gives an identity, like a
Final report,
advantages
like
and
what is
disadvantages.
result, final result. We have created a table, card details, right? So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
a final result, like, so this is a print preview view which I have created.
After checking all the things, this is the final result.
Yes, this is that is called report. Okay, close print preview. I am closing it. So this is what view? This is design view. Okay. Yeah, these are the 4 types of view. The one we are you are seeing, this is a layout view. It's showing like one. This is one page and this is the one next page, right? Understood, ma? How to go for a report? Like first, we have to select, means table only one we have created, that only it will display by obviously. Create, here we have reports, right? So it will open. This is a layout view, right? And see, this is a report view. Layout means, sorry, this is a layout view. Now if you see for a report, this is a report view. Layout means this is the layout. Some partition, one partition has divided. It's divided into 2 parts. Report means completely one only. This is report view. Okay. And this is a print preview. Is it clear, everyone?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And you
Yes,
already,
ma'am.
yeah, and you already know what is a sorting, right? Sorting is already we have done in spreadsheet. Same way, here also we have
Yes,
sorting.
ma'am.
Sorting is nothing but arranging the information in a particular order, whether it might be.
And this one we will get in a bank, ma'am. They give for.
Sorry, ma, I didn't get you. Yes.
Ma'am, what's SMDB, ma'am?
What is that?
SMDB. Like DBMS means database
No,
management
I just
system.
gave it to confuse you. That's all. There is nothing by the name SMDB. I just reversed the same letters
Okay,
DBMS
ma'am.
to confuse you.
And
That's
I thought MSDB means Microsoft Database System.
all. Oh, no, no, no. DBMS only. I have used the letters in different ways. That's all. I have to confuse you. That's all. Okay. Now sorting. You already know that what is sorting. Sorting means
Ma'am, I also thought what
Yeah.
is
arranging the like
Data and ascending
alphabetically.
and
Yeah, alphabetically A to Z or Z to A, descending and ascending order. Date and time from old to new, new to old, right? And where you can see that sorting in MS axis. Same home. Where is that sorting? Actually here in book it is showing here, and where here it is I can't see here. Can you see sorting? View, paste.
Ma'am, your
yeah, ma'am. Actually, your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Yeah, here
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
is.
It's tracking.
Here it is there. Here only it is there.
String versus
Yeah, ma'am. It sounds like a guitar.
It's not highlighted. Ascending,
Ma'am,
descending.
you're not clear
Ma'am?
to us, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. You're not clear, ma'am. We can't hear you properly.
We can't
Ma'am,
hear
we
your
can't hear
voice,
you
ma'am.
properly, ma'am. Ma'am, it's